151. Responses that produce a satisfying effect in a particular situation become to occur again in that situation? Answer: D. More likely. 152. According to John Dewey, which side of the educational process is the basis? Answer: D. Psychological. 153. An assessment is one which measures what it is intended to measure. Answer: A. Valid. 154. Is an organizing tool to help the students visualize how many events can be tied to or contribute to a result. Answer: A. Fishbone. 155. The more parts of your brain you use, the more likely you are to information. Answer: D. Retain. 156. The students learn most from those teachers who. Answer: A. Are gentle. 157. Which of the following can affect the results of students in the examination? Answer: D. All of the above. 158. The use of Internet for students in their educational activities is, in your opinion? Answer: B. Medium for good teaching. 159. According to Rousseau, at what age a person ready to have a companion of the opposite sex? Answer: A. 16. 160. One way to maximize teaching time, shorten delays due to transitions and focus on students' behavior is used to establish in the classroom? Answer: C. Routines. 161. In cooperative method, teachers act as a delegator means the teacher act as a/in to the students. Answer: A. Resource. 162. When students are asked to prepare an analysis of critical features of an object or concept, the strategy is termed as? Answer: C. Characterization. 163. What type of class climate you would prefer? Answer: B. A highly interactive and self-disciplined class. 164. Is a student-generated list of words maintained by the students to remind them of words they need more work on? Answer: B. Spelling notebook. 165. According to the law of effect, if a stimulus results in a negative outcome, the SR bond is? Answer: B. Weakened. 166. The instructional approach in which objectives are presented to learners in chronological order is known as? Answer: A. Chronological sequencing. 167. In evaluation approach of lesson planning. Answer: D. All of the above. 168. According to John Locke, a child's mind does not contain any? Answer: A. Innate ideas. 169. The idea of teaching the whole child in the philosophy of pragmatism in education means teaching students to be good? Answer: D. Citizens. 170. As people grow older, the of learning declines? Answer: A. Speed. 171. You wish to become a teacher, because? Answer: D. Like to be a teacher. 172. Purpose of evaluative phase of teaching is? Answer: D. All of the above. 173. Rather than telling, teacher leads students to concept through a series of ordered questions in? Answer: A. Socratic method. 174. The cognitive domain involves? Answer: B. Knowledge. 175. The field of study concerned with the construction of thought processes, including remembering, problem solving, and decision making, is called? Answer: C. Cognitive development. 176. Attitude can? Answer: D. All of the above. 177. In order to make memory level of teaching a success, what should a teacher do? Answer: D. All of the above. 178. Developing new rules and principles on the basis of given facts and information in memory level is called? Answer: B. Generalization. 179. How shall you help a student who has failed in the half-yearly examination? Answer: B. By reteaching difficult concepts. 180. Responses that produce a discomforting effect become to occur again in that situation? Answer: C. Less likely. 181. Through which action children learn fast? Answer: A. Facial expression. 182. Providing temporary support and encouragement to students until help is no longer needed is called? Answer: A. Scaffolding. 183. The branch of philosophy focuses on the nature of reality is? Answer: C. Metaphysics. 184. Progressivism believes that children learn in A/N? Answer: D. Community. 185. A student having scientific attitude. Answer: D. Thinks rationally. 186. Plato argued that are fit to rule? Answer: C. Only philosophers. 187. One of the students of a class hardly talks in the class. How would you encourage him to express himself? Answer: C. By organizing educational games/programmers in which children feel like speaking. 188. Mother is the academy of a child? Answer: D. First. 189. A student having scientific attitude? Answer: D. Thinks rationally. 190. The use of technology to enhance learning process is called in education? Answer: B. ICT. 191. When educators travel to the student's location to provide instruction on topics of professional or personal interest, the mode of teaching becomes? Answer: D. Extension teaching. 192. The most complex skill of Bloom's taxonomy is? Answer: D. Originating. 193. Generally students like those teachers who? Answer: B. Remove the difficulties of the subject. 194. A normal human being has senses? Answer: B. 5. 195. In a round table discussion, the participants discuss topic among themselves and with the audience. Answer: B. Informally. 196. An assessment used to identify difficulties in the learning process is called? Answer: B. Diagnostic assessment. 197. The process of selecting units from a population to estimate characteristics of the population is called? Answer: D. Sampling. 198. One-on-one approach to teaching or reteaching concepts is termed as? Answer: B. Tutoring. 199. Rousseau advocated an educational method which consisted of removing the child from. Answer: see society. 200. Guidance differs from counseling in which of the following manner? Answer: D. All of the above.